Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Trevor.
I'm Madison.
And we are Boosted Rivals. Guys, my car is absolutely filthy. After last week, it absolutely rained at autocross and afterwards. And if you guys watched that video, you might have seen that and might have talked about it. It's disgusting. The interstate really made a mess of my car. But I've also wanted to do something for like the last month or so, and that's deep clean this car. Vacuum, clean floor mats, clean engine bay, the works. I really want to get this car spotless, and well, tomorrow is Cars and Coffee, and we'll also have a car event tomorrow. So you guys will have some content in the next few upcoming days. And yeah, I want to get this car ready. I want to get it show ready and look a little bit better than it does right now. So we're going to give you a nice time-lapse montage, maybe not. And yeah, we will throw some amazing copyright-free music and get right into this montage of cleaning. Let's go. Well, the back seat is now fully vacuumed. This wasn't really the bad part of it. Bad part's the front. So we'll meet you guys up there. A little under the driver's side seat. Fine. This is Chipotle from when we went to Denver over a year ago. So yeah, it's probably a good thing I'm cleaning this, but back to it. What is that though?
That's your side, remember? I was sitting right here.
What is that though?
That was the both of us.
We had Taco Bell in the back and it kept going.
Well,
everywhere.
because it was so windy, so we just sat back here.
Yeah. Well. While vacuuming, I noticed that some of my plastics are a little bit dirty as well. So we're going to be using this. This is the purple stuff that we used. The stuff we call the purple stuff. This is what it is, and it's diluted.
Not brake cleaner.
Not brake cleaner. Wrong purple stuff. This is the right purple stuff. Diluted 1 to 17 parts. So. And also a microfiber towel. Kind of trying to wipe off any of these scuffs or scratches that are in the plastics. We'll see you guys in there. We'll be doing the dash next. Now that we've cleaned all the plastics, I think I'm gonna throw some leather protector on the seats. This is the stuff we used. This is just leather lotion, as they call it, or leather conditioner, and it just helps keep the leather looking good year after year. Please sponsor us.
Wow.
Only on the leather, guys. right, so the next step in this process, we're going to be cleaning the front floor mats. They were the only ones that were really dirty.
What are you doing?
Soap. Alright guys, so we are going to be moving on to cleaning the engine bay. One thing to keep in mind is we don't want to get the air intake cold or the alternator. Alternator is not my problem.
You mean wet?
Yes, cold. Wet, same thing.
No, it's not.
Next step is we're going to steal our girlfriend's makeup brushes and
I don't wear
get
makeup.
to it. Well, not anymore. And that's way too much. We need the big girl.
Did you say not anymore? I've never worn makeup.
Well, yeah, because I took your makeup brush.
Okay. It's so funny. You should have just seen him.
So this is brake cleaner. It's going to be a brake dust, brake bomber remover tool. And so it's going to spray on after we get the tires wet. So we're going to get the wheels and tires wet, put this on, let it sit, wash it off, and then wash the rest of the car.
Like that? Guys, we have a huge storm coming in, so yeah, we're on crunch time. Can I show them just what the sky looks like over there? You might not be able to see it, but look at the difference right there to right there. That's a huge storm right there. is done. Let me come get you guys.
Well, guys, that is a wrap on washing. Deep clean wash of the RS. I hope you did like this content. We probably won't do too many of these, but yeah, this montage will hopefully keep you interested. And if you want to watch more of our content, think we're funny or cool, then there will be links in the description to some of our videos, maybe stuff we'll be doing in the future will interest you. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so that it is pushed out to other people that might also enjoy this. Until next time, Boosted Rivals out. Bye-bye.